Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Okay, for this video, I would like to discuss question July 2023. So first, I would like to tell you guys this question is unique. Why? Because in this question, we have section 7, subsection 1, capital B. So stay tuned on how to answer for these sections. Okay, let's take a look on questions number 1B. So before that, as usual, read the required. Determine the tax resident status of Puan Juliana for the relevant years of assessment until YA 2022. So meaning to say your answer stop until 2022. State the relevant sections and reason for your answer. This one is standard format, everyone. Okay, so now go back to first paragraph. Let's find out more about Puan Juliana. So Puan Juliana is a Malaysian citizen. Normally our questions, the taxpayer is not Malaysian, isn't it? But this time around, guys, Puan Juliana is Malaysian citizen. And then she works as a senior executive at the Bank Negara Malaysia. So Bank Negara Malaysia is our central bank. And you guys know that central bank is not private sector, but central bank basically is statutory authority or government agency. And then one of the conditions, if Puan Juliana want to fulfill Section 7, Subsection 1, capital B is she must work for government. And obviously, guys, Bank Negara Malaysia is statutory authority. Okay? And then, she was a resident in prior years until 2017. Understood that, guys, before YA 2017, all right, she was a resident. For example, 2017 resident, 16 resident, 15 resident. This is very important, especially when you guys want to try section 7, subsection 1C and also D. So this information is critical, very significant. Okay, next. And then what happened is her periods of stay in Malaysia are as follows. Okay, be careful, guys. Because period of stay in our notes here, look at here. They combine. There are two columns. Normally, you are given three columns, right? Column YA, period of stay, and notes. So this one, you are only given two columns, and be careful when you read, when you extract out the information related to certain YAs. Okay, for example here. Okay, look at this one. So look at this one. This is YA 2018. This is 2019. This is 2020. So these trees are 2021 followed by 2022. So guys, if you look at our required, okay, determine relevant years of assessment. Question does not mention anything about what will be first YA. So how do we know the first YA? Look at the table here. So here is 2018. Isn't it? Question start with 2018. So this is our first YA. Okay, first, let's settle our notes. Okay, let's identify whether the notes here is TA or not TA. Because TA, you need to record in your answer. If not TA, no need to record in your answer. Simple. Okay, let's take a look on number 1, guys. Okay, number 1, this is not number 1, right? Okay, she first left Malaysia to attend meeting related to her work in Japan. Meaning to say, guys, question mentioned here. First paragraph, she never left Malaysia, isn't it? Okay, so due to that, guys, note number 1, why did she left Malaysia to Japan? Related to her work. So if related to her work, confirm, guys, this is TA under category number 1, related to work matters. So later on, guys, please record this date. Okay, this one confirm this is the TA. How about notes number 2? Okay, she accompanied her mother So the keyword here is mother. So what happened to her mother? Okay, who had a kidney operation in China? So meaning to say, she left Malaysia to China to accompany her mother because her mother was sick. Okay, so she get medical treatment in China. So guys, do we have TA related to ill health? Definitely. Okay, immediate family members also cover parents, and very obvious, mother is her parent. So what happened to note number 2? This is also TA. So later we are going to record this is TA. Okay, so next, go to notes number 3. Okay, number 3. So in 2020, she was not in Malaysia. Look at the reason why. Because she took 1 year unpaid leave to follow her husband to further study in the United Kingdom. Guys, do we have TA related to taxpayer accompany someone to further study? No, we don't. Isn't it? So what happened to note number 3? Note number 3, guys, she was absent from Malaysia. This is not TA. So note number 3, 1st January until 31st December, the whole year, this is not TA. So what is number of days in YA 2020? 0. She was not in Malaysia at all. Alright? Okay, look at number 4. She went to Singapore for a family trip. Okay, family trip, everyone. So family trip, is it TA or not? It could be. So remember guys, we have TA under social visit, but the limit of social visit not more than 14 days. Isn't it? Okay, we need to compute. So 31 minus 22 plus 1. Therefore, you will get 10 days. Isn't it? Guys, 10 days, very obvious, less than 14 days, right? So confirm this is TA. This is also TA. Alright. Next, number 5. She got a full sponsorship from the Central Bank of Malaysia to attend professional course in New Zealand. So meaning to say, guys, note number 5 happened in YA 2022. So YA 2022, January to December, the whole year she was not in Malaysia, but she was in New Zealand. For what? Okay, to attend professional course, and then she got full sponsorship from the Central Bank. So guys, this is what? Okay, later we will do this together. So let's settle 2018 until 2021 first. Alright? Okay, so first step guys, let's record. Okay, 2018. Okay, so our period of stay 19 January until 4th April. Followed by, okay, second row here, this is TA, 5th April until 10 May. Followed by row number 3, still 2018, 11 October, 31st December. Okay, that's it for 2018, isn't it? Okay, let's compute. Okay, guys, 2018. This is not a leap year. Okay, why is it important? Because 19 January, of course, we have February. So February 28 days. Okay, this one is 19 January, right? Okay, January 31, you guys minus 19. Don't forget to plus 1. February 28, March 31, and then April until 4th April, plus 4. So you should get 76 days. Okay, how about our TA here? Okay, TA, start from 5th April, isn't it? Okay, April 30 minus 5 plus 1, and then plus May 10. So you guys should get 36 days. Okay, don't forget to put in bracket TA 36 days. Okay, last but not least, the third row, 10 October to 31st December. Okay, so 31st, 31, minus 11 plus 1, plus November, plus December. So you should get 82 days. Okay, total up, guys. Be careful, we have TA, isn't it? So always ask yourself, what are we doing right now? Are we doing B? Not yet. We don't even have number of days yet, isn't it? So due to that, guys, remember, why do we have TA? TA is meant for B and we are not doing B. That's why every time you calculate number of days, exclude the TA. So when you exclude the TA, how many days here? So 158. 158. So this is our number of days. Okay, guys, ready? All right. Let's apply section 7. Okay, try A first. A, stay in Malaysia at least 182 days. And very clear cut, guys. This one is less than 182. So we cannot use A. Okay, then we move on to B. B, there are two. Link to, link by. Isn't it? Okay, link to and also link by. Guys, we don't have any information related to 2017. Isn't it? Okay, so now let's try link 2. Okay, let's try link 2, guys. Okay, 2019. Okay, let's take a look on information related to 2019 because I want to try link 2. Guys, if you look at information number 1, paragraph number 1, we know that she was resident in Malaysia. She was resident, okay, until 2017, isn't it? The issue is we don't have the date. So due to that, I think it is more convenient for us to do link 2. Alright, okay, let's take a look on link 2. Okay, so for link 2, let's do it 2019. Okay, 2019, the first row here, 1st January until 3rd February, this is TA. Followed by 4th February to 3rd July. The third row is 16 September to 14 November. Any more? That's it. Isn't it? Okay, guys, let's compute. Okay, 2019, this is also not a leap year. This is not a leap year. Therefore, February, we only have 28 days. Okay, so you guys calculate. January, start from 1st. So, January, 31 days. Plus 3, 34. Okay, don't forget to put in bracket TA 34. 2019, guys, 2019 start from 4th February until 3rd July. Okay, February 28, you guys minus 4. Don't forget to plus 1. March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, and then July plus 3. So you get 150. Followed by the third row. Okay, third row. Okay, 16 September. So September 30. So minus 16 plus 1. October 31. And then November 14. Okay, guys. Now, we got our period of stay. We got our number of days. Okay, go back to 2018. Go back to 2018, guys. So 2018, we were trying to use link 2. Isn't it? So link 2, guys, they are terms and conditions starting from 2018 itself. So what is the condition for 2018 and 2019? Okay, let me prepare accounting period. Not accounting period, calendar for 2018 and 19. So you can see clearly. Okay, for example, 1st January 18 to 31st December 2018. So this is calendar for 2018. 2019, 1st January 19 to 31st December 19. So this one is calendar for 2019. Guys, this is us 2018. You want to cross over to the next year. So what are the conditions in 2018? Look at the calendar here. So we are here. So we are here. If you want to cross over 2019, of course, you are going to see the first date, 1st January. Isn't it? Therefore, guys, in 2018, the first condition is in December. So I need at least 1 day in December 2018 in order for us to cross over to 2019. So do we have at least 1 day in December 2018? Of course, we have more than 1 day. So let's say that we take 31st December. Okay, now we got our 31st December. Okay, now we can cross to 2019. So 2019 based on calendar, of course, the first date that you will see is 1st January 2019. Isn't it? Okay, go to 2019. Do we have 1st January? Yes, we do. However, guys, 1st January is not physically present. This is TA. But remember guys, we are doing link 2. Link 2, we can apply TA with condition. Before and after TA, the taxpayer must be physically in Malaysia. So let's check it out. TA start 1st January. So before 1st January is 31st December 2018. Yes, we have this. Physically present. So last TA is 3rd February. So after 3rd is 4th January. Do we have 4th January here? Yes. Sorry guys. 3rd February. So this one is 4th February. Do we have 4th February? Yes. So now, can we use this TA? Definitely can. So now, how many days this TA guys? 34. 34 is not enough. I need 182. Remember guys, 182 days consecutively. We get it from 2019, not 2018. 2018 has nothing to do with our 182. Alright? Okay. So, what should we do next? Go down. Okay, go down. Make sure the period is consecutive. 3rd February to 4th February, of course, consecutive, isn't it? Okay, how many days? 150. Okay, total up. 34 plus 150, we will get 184 days, isn't it? More than 182. Therefore, what happened to 2018, guys? Of course, this one is residence. Section 7, subsection 1B. How do we give reasons? Stay in Malaysia less than 182 days. But the period is linked to which year? 2019. For at least 182 days consecutively, including TA. Okay, done for 2018. Okay, next guys, let's total up. Okay, total up 2019. Remember, we have TA guys. When we have TA, exclude the TA from our computation of number of days. TA is meant for B only. Do not include TA. Okay, so total up, you will get here 210. So very obvious, 210. This one is resident under E. So this is how you give reason. Stay in Malaysia for at least 182 days. Make sure you guys are using the correct keyword. Keyword is at least, not more than. Okay, next we go to YA 2020. So 2020 guys, number of days 2020, number 3. Remember, this is not TA. So number 3 meaning to say guys, number of days is 0. Very clear, number of days is 0. She was not in Malaysia at all. Alright, so she accompanied her husband to UK. Right, okay. Normally guys, when number of days is 0, we cannot apply section 7, section 1A, B and C. But we can try D. Okay, because condition for D is next year is a resident. And then 3 immediate preceding years are also resident. Okay? Alright, now, let's see whether 2020, guys, we can apply D. Okay, second condition, 3 immediate preceding years are resident, isn't it? Okay, let's check it out. So, 3 immediate, you cannot skip. So, this is 2020. So, 3 will start from 2019. Is it resident? Yes, we got 1. 2018, is it resident? Yes, we got 2. 2017, question already mentioned. She was a resident in prior year until 2017. 17, also resident. So second condition, guys, of course, we fulfill second condition. So now let's take a look on. Let's take a look on first condition. Next year is a resident. Okay, let's do it for next year, 2021. Okay, information 2021. 1st March until 22nd July. Okay. Followed by 22nd August to 31st August. This is TA. Be careful. Okay. 22nd until 31st August. Number 3, 1st September until 30th September. Alright. Okay. Next one, guys. Okay. Let's compute. Okay. 2021. Okay. This one. March. 1st April. March 31. April 30. May 31, June 30, July plus 22. Okay, for our TA, you guys should get 10 days. Okay, next, 1st September until 30th September, 30 days. Okay, total up number of days, guys, without TA. Remember, exclude the TA. Okay, total up, you will get 174. Okay, 174. Okay, let's try to use A. Very obvious, no A. How about limbai? Condition for limbai, guys. First condition in 2021, I need at least 1 day in January. We don't even have January. How about link 2? First condition, I need at least 1 day in December 2021. We don't even have December. Skip limbai, link 2. Let's try C, guys. How about C? Okay. C. First condition, stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. And we got more than 90. Right? And then 3 out of 4 immediate preceding years, you are given option. Either resident, if not resident, stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Okay, so 3 out of 4 start from 2020. Guys, do we know the status yet? Not yet. Not yet. But look at number of days. Is it at least 90? No. Okay. Scrap 2020. Skip 2020. But we still have another 3 options, isn't it? Okay, look at 2019. Is it resident? Yes, we got 1. 2018. Is it resident? Yes, we got 2. 2017. Is it resident? Yes, resident. So we got 3. Therefore, guys, do we fulfill the condition for C? Definitely yes. That's why 2021, the answer is resident under section 7, subsection 1C. So how do you give reason, guys? Stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days, not more than at least 90 days. 3 out of 4 immediate preceding years. What were the YA just now? 19, 18, and 17. Or either resident or stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. So this is how you give reason. Okay, go back to YA 2020. Guys, condition for D. Next year is resident. Look at our next year. Is it resident? Yes. Isn't it? So due to that, YA 2020, our section is section 7, subsection 1D. Resident under D. Okay, how do you give reason? Next year is a resident. Mention YA 2021. 3 immediate preceding years are also resident. Okay, 2019, 18, and also 17. Okay, done for 2020 and 2021. Okay, last but not least is YA 2022. Guys, YA 2022, remember everyone, notes number 5. She was not in Malaysia because she attended professional course in New Zealand and fully sponsored by her employer, Central Bank of Malaysia. Isn't it? Guys, very obvious. Number of days is 0. Number of days is 0. Don't bother to try A, B, C, and D. Because, guys, in this question, you cannot try all these 4 sections. Because very obvious, the answer is she qualified for section 7, subsection 1, capital B. Why I said she qualified? Because number 1, very obvious, she is a Malaysian citizen. Question mentioned here, 1. Condition number 2, she is working for Bank Negara Malaysia or Central Bank of Malaysia. Number 3, the reason she was absent from Malaysia is she attended professional course, not for leisure. And then number 4, guys, when she attended the professional course, it must be fully sponsored from her employer. So she fulfilled all the 4 conditions. That's why, guys, for 2022, resident under section 7, subsection 1, capital B. Capital B. This is not same as this B. This B is linked to or limbai, is it? But this B is special for government servant who further study outside Malaysia. Alright? Okay, so this is how you give reason. Number 1, she is a Malaysian citizen. Number 2, she is employed in public service, or you guys can mention she is being employed by Bank Negara Malaysia, or she is working for Bank Negara Malaysia. Also correct. Number 3, mention while she was in New Zealand, she attended course outside Malaysia. And then number 4, make sure you guys when she attended the course, it must be fully sponsored by her company. So number 4, which is fully sponsored by her employer. So hopefully, guys, you can understand how to apply Section 7, subsection 1B. But remember, you guys Section 7, Section 1B only applicable to government servant. Private sector, no. Okay, this is the special of becoming government servant. Alright. So I guess that's all for question July 2023. Okay, make sure that you guys try this question.